Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the voice of Excess Adventure and I'm reaching you guys all the way from my location. Alright, on today's episode we'll be looking at what we normally do here, which is the Forex market and any other market we'll see out there. For the guys that joined the yesterday's section, I see you. Nice trade. That is from Anye. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate you for that. Yeah. The setup there is from yesterday. So this was our trade yesterday. For the guys to whom it may concern, and for the guys that joined the live streaming section yesterday, we took this setup live here yesterday. I have the video on the channel in case you want to pretty much have an idea or the feel of what it looks like. The video is right there. You can check it out. You will see the video on my channel. The video is tagged DE30 trade to TP. Check it out and you will see the setup from the point we entered the trade up to the point we took profit out of the market. And you guys remember I pointed out that the main point where I think price was going at the time was for that high. You can see I have some drawings on that from yesterday. All right, so this was our trade yesterday and that was the only trade we saw yesterday. So right about this morning we'll kick off just like any other day here. Oh, Bakasan, it's been a very long time, longest time. Welcome. It's been a minute. How you doing? Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, brother. I don't know if you joined live streaming yesterday. It's been a great one. I don't know if you ever joined any of our live streaming at all this year. It's been an interesting one, and it's good to know that you're still there. And I'm happy to hear from you today. I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, it's been a long time. All right, so yeah, let's get back to why we're here, and we'll see how today is going to go. Let me first of all share this link to the guys on the Discord so that they would know I'm already live here. Okay, and whom may concern. So I just dropped the link on my Discord to make sure that I bring everybody up to speed on that. But I'm very excited to hear from you, Bakasan. Very excited, and yeah. So for today, we will kick off by looking at the items we have on the watch list. All right, we'll just pretty much look at them and see if there are setups that are aligning to what we want. And for the guys that are aligned, we would pretty much see how we can trade them. And yeah, that's basically that for that. So I'm going to switch this to line chart. Remember, for the guys that have been in the live streaming section, we use line chart to pretty much filter out the noise, get the actual direction, the breakpoints, and the things we would want. But the actual market execution, we switch back to candle chart. All right, for the actual price and market execution, we will switch back to what? To candle chart. All right, so looking at DE30 here, obviously from what I see here, I would want to buy, but the internal structure already, by looking at it, has totally violated whatever we want to do this morning. So for me, DE30, not what I would want to trade this morning. The next item I have here is gold. On gold is looking very good. This is kind of what I would want. I think gold internal structure and also the external structure is okay. So what we would want to see on gold is for gold to trade out of this high, then give us a reversal for us to take it all the way down. All right, so this is what I envision on gold. For me, I think gold is a good price to take, so I'm going to move it at the top of the watch list. Remember, any market that aligns to what we want to see, we'll move them where? At the top of the watch list. So for me here on gold, what I would want to see is for gold to trade outside of the previous day high. The previous day high is this level there. That is exactly what I would want gold to do, outside of the previous day high. That way it will now help us to, what's all this? That's mosquito, serious mosquito flying around in this morning. All right, so we want gold to trade out, then reverse. At the time we'll be getting any confirmation on that reversal, that's when we'll be jumping on it. So for gold, I like it, and we'll keep close contact with gold to see how we can leverage on it and see if we can get any good setup around it. So that's our speculation and expectation on gold. We'll move on to the next item we have here in the watch list. The next item I have here is the likes of USD JPY. Based off on the external structure and in the internal structure I see here, and the way the previous day high and low is aligned, I wouldn't want to do anything on USD JPY. So for me, I will not be trading USD